In this video, we're going to try and figure out which of a given sample best matches the actual population. So let's read the problem. You want to find the number of fiction books in your local library. There are 5,000 books in the library. You have 3 samples. The actual number of fiction books in the library is 1,500. Which sample best represents the population? Okay, so what we've got here is our comparison is our fiction to the total books. And we were told that that was 5,000 books, and 1,500 of them are fiction. Now there's a couple of ways to do this problem. I'm going to show you one way, and we'll talk about another one in class. All right, so sample A, absolutely useless. As you'll notice, it lists different categories of books, but it doesn't give me any numbers. So that's not going to do me any good at all. Let's take a look at sample B. Sample B does have numbers. I'm told there are 12 fiction, 15 nonfiction, and 12 biography. Well, what does that mean to me? That means that I've got, out of fiction books for sample B, I've got 12, and the total number of books, if I add up the 12, 15, and 12, is 39. So that would be, fiction would be 12, and the total is 39. All right. So the question is, does this 12/39, is that representative? Would I get 1,500? Is that the same, essentially, as 1,500 over 5,000? And the way I'm going to do this problem is I am going to, first of all, simplify this. And of course, this is going to simplify to 4/13. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by 5,000. Where did that 5,000 come from? That 5,000 is the total number of books in the library. And if this is a good representative sample, I should end up with 1,500, right? 4/13. If 4/13 of 5,000 is 1,500, then B would be the best sample to represent the population. And if I do multiply that, I'll find out that this is approximately 1,538. All right, so that means that would come out to be 1,538 fiction books. Now we need to check the next sample, which is sample C. And once again, I am looking at, I'm just going to slide this up a little, the fiction books to the total books in sample C. And let's see, right, so it says here that there are 40 fiction books, and I'm going to add up all of the other books, so 40, 29, 7, 19, and 39, that actually equals 134 total books. And that cannot be simplified, or actually it probably can. Actually, it simplifies to 20 over 67. And this is not the world's greatest problem, ladies and gentlemen. I won't lie to you. But once again, using a calculator, I'm multiplying this 20 over 67 by 5,000 to see how many fiction books I get. And if I do this, I would find out that this is approximately, I believe, 1,492 fiction books. All right. In other words, 1,492 is a lot closer to 1,500 than 1,538. So, which sample best represents the population? Well, according to our calculations, the answer would be sample C. And that would be our answer.